Hi, I'm Ali and welcome to Women Over 50 Fitness. In today's video, we're going to do some great seated exercises for women over 50, seniors and also beginners to really help with blood flow, circulation. These are very gentle but very beneficial. So first things first, I like to sit down, obviously on a seat. You want to place your hand onto your tummy, just gently breathe in for 3 and hold that engagement, the core if you like. And first of all, let's just roll the shoulders back, warming up the shoulders. And you can do these morning or evening. And as you can see, you don't need any fancy gear. I'm just in a pair of jeans. And then forward. Taking our hand, placing it onto our leg here or our knee, and just taking the other hand and just gently gliding across, having a really gentle stretch here on the obliques, just holding that stretch for a moment, coming back up and stretching on the other side. And we do this another couple of times on each side. So coming up, gentle stretch, remembering to hold that core. And if you can sit nice and straight as much as possible as well, so you're not hunching over. And one last time. And last time on the other side. Gently stretching out. So let's start on the arms. So I'm placing my arms out, and what we're going to do is we're just going to do some gentle circles coming forward. If you want a bit more resistance, you can place your hands so they're like so, slightly elevated, and you should feel more of a stretch as well. So coming forward, and then let's go backwards here as well. And then coming forward, let's count to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Backwards, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And one last time forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Backwards for 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And gently release. And you should find this will really help those potential back swings. So coming with our hands into our lap first, we're just gently lifting up and coming back down. Coming up, again holding the core, the engagement if you like. Again, we'll do this 8 times. We've already done 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the last time, lovely, great stretch up and come down. So now let's work a little bit on the core here. So we're going to lift our knee up, take our hands, slightly come forward, place our hands under our knee, come back up, and then we'll alternate to the other leg. And let's do 8 times on each leg. So starting out with our arms placed out, let's lift our leg up, come forward, and just keep alternating legs. 2, 3, 4, remembering to hold that core. 5, 6, 7, and the last time 8. Lifting up and back again, and gently come down. So now we're going to do a little bit on the legs here. So again, could sit slightly bit more forward on the chair. Again, core nice and engaged, shoulders nice and straight and relaxed, back nice and straight. And we're going to lift our leg up, come down and lift it to the side, come back. And let's do this 8 times. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. We're working on the same leg. 5, remember to hold that core. 6, 7, and one last time on this side, 8. Come back and just give it a little shake out, and then on the next leg. So again, holding on to the stability for the seat, on the seats, lifting up, forward, and to the side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and shake it out. So now again, when we're seated a little bit more forward, we're just going to come out to the side with our foot, come back, stretch to the side, and we do this 8 times on each side. That's 2, 3, and you should feel a nice stretch on the inner thigh. Halfway there. For 5, 6, 7, 8, and the last side for 8, and give it a shake out. So this is a very quick and easy little routine you can do in the morning or evening. Now please comment down below, tell me how you found this, and if you want to go through this again, please play the video again. You can do this in almost 3 sets if you prefer, but start off slow and gently build up. Now if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing for more content, and a thumbs up really helps with the algorithm, and comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye.